In the topic of pronunciation, let's take some words that are special ones. Means people say that this is C sound and that's sir. So this is not sir, it should be pronounced as sir. It's people say it accept, but this is accept. So these kind of words, all the words that have C will be pronounced so. Accept. I already told you the sound of this word. That's accept. Sorry. Let me write it again. Accept. So this will be pronounced as accept. This won't be accent. This is accent, accessories, and vaccination. So the double C or the CC won't be pronounced as sir, but it will be pronounced as so. Accept, accent, accessories, and vaccination. So keep this thing in your mind while you're solving the questions related to the phonetic transcriptions. Now look at the words having D and J together that will make the sound of J. D and J will be making the sound of J. That's the phonetic transcription for the sound J. So in this word A, D, J, E, C, T, I, V, E, the D and J sound will be J. Adjective. In this word there is also D and J, so there will be J sound. So adjust, adjective, adjust, and this will be adjacent, and this will be adjoin, jo sound, adjoin, and the last one will be adjourn, adjourn. It's not adjourn, it's adjourn. Adjective, adjust, adjacent, adjoin, and adjourn. See, when you're adding MAN or MEN to some other word, if you're combining two words and out of those two words, one word is man or men, separately it is man and it is men, man and men. But you combine this word, if you combine this word with another word, it will be pronounced as man. See, police, you know the sound of this word? And the transcription will be police, the long E, police. But if you add MAN after that or MEN after that, it will be pronounced as policeman, not policeman, policeman. Separately, again I'm telling you that separately this will be man and this will be men, man and men. But if you combine these with some other word, it will be pronounced as man. That's policeman, watchman, policeman, watchman, workman. The words having A sound and A sound, A and A sound. See, JAM will be jam, and this will be plan, jam, plan, and this will be plain. See, these two words having different spellings and different meanings, but these are having similar phonetic transcription and the similar sounds as well. See, PLANE will be pronounced as plain, and PLAIN, which is about the surface, that's plain. This will also be plain and this will also be plain.